Hey all, there was a request to see how to change Google Calendar events, specifically Zoom invites, so they match up with the Google Classroom calendar. To do this, what you're going to want to do, I'm going to go to my 6th hour here, which is early African history. You can see it's this light blue color, which is also the same as my main calendar, Nathan Evos, right? So that's my main personal events. So if I want to change that so it's specifically with my 6th hour early African history Google Classroom, what I'm going to do, coming back to calendar, I'm going to go into the edit event button, click that, and then this right here where it says Nathan E. Voss is actually the calendar title, so what calendar this lives in. If I click the drop-down menu, I can actually go to Hour 6, Early African History. You see that turns to that dark orange color, similar to my early African history, and hit save. Boom, now it is automatically put into that calendar. Again, I'll show you this with by Shabazz Experience first period. You can see again, it's a light blue color, exactly the same as my main title. So if I want to change that, I'm going to hit edit and go to, you see I'm unable to change this because it's Rachel is the owner of this event invite. So if you're unable to change it, you'll need to go and email that person to change it. So I'll have to send Rachel an email. If you want to see again how to do that, if I come to my 2nd hour, edit, and then you change the name right here. And that will automatically add it to your Google Classroom calendar. If you have any questions, let me know. Send me an email, etc. Thanks again. Bye.